Today, we're tackling a question I get asked all the time. How can I start an export business from Nigeria without breaking the bank? Is it even possible? The answer is a resounding yes. We're talking about mini exportation, leveraging resources you already have, and building a profitable business step by step. I'm going to give you a practical, actionable guide inspired by the success of Nigerians who started small and are now making serious money. So ditch the excuses, grab your pen and paper, and let's turn your export dreams into reality.
Zombie apocalypse.
First, let's kill a myth. You don't need a huge factory or a massive loan to start. Mini exportation is about leveraging what you have. Think about readily available Nigerian products, foodstuffs, spices, handcrafted goods, textiles that are in demand abroad, especially within the Nigerian diaspora. I dropped a video that highlights this point. You can use that to get to know places in abroad that these people need this product. So the key is to start small, learn the ropes, build relationships, and reinvest your profits. This isn't about instant riches, it's about building a sustainable business. Many successful exporters started with just a few products and burning desire to succeed. Here's your blueprint to start exporting with little or no capital. Number one, you need to find your export goal. What can you source and sell? Focus on readily available, low-cost Nigerian products. Dried foodstuffs, spices, beans, gari, handcrafted items, jewelry bags, art, textile, ankara, shea butter. Search results mention ginger, sesame seeds, cashew nuts, hibiscus, that's the zobo, charcoal is like potential exporting resources. So research demand. Who wants these products? Target the Nigerian diaspora in specific cities abroad. Many Nigerians start by exporting foodstuffs to relatives and friends abroad, gradually expanding to supply local Nigerian restaurants and stores. This is a low-risk way to test the market and build a network. Now, secondly, you need to connect with buyers. Search online for Nigerian restaurants in cities or African stores in cities abroad. Find their contact information, phone number, email, social media accounts, and all of that. Find a way to reach them. Craft a compelling message. Don't just call. Send a professional email with pictures or videos of your product and pricing. Now start with small orders. Don't aim for container loads. Focus on building relationships and fulfilling smaller orders reliably. For example, you could start by offering to supply 20 kg of specific pies to a restaurant, maybe zobo, then scale up as you build trust. Don't buy in bulk upfront. Source products after you have confirmed orders. This minimizes your risks. Partner with local suppliers, farmers, artisans, small businesses. Negotiate favorable terms and build trust. You need to let them know that, okay, you might be needing this thing in bulk, so they will give you a discounted price. For example, if you're exporting spices, partner with a local market trader who can supply you on demand, so that whenever these people need this, you can easily call them. Master mini shipping. Explore courier services, DHL, FedEx. These options are for smaller shippings. Group orders. If several buyers want similar products, ship them all together to reduce your cost. Use secure payments method, PayPal, Wise, which is formerly known as TransferWise, or escrow services. There are so many escrow services. I dropped the link in the description. Negotiate payment terms. Don't ship goods without a deposit or a clear agreement on payment timelines. They will rip you if you do that. Build your brand. Create a simple website or use social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, to showcase your products. Professional photos are a key factor to your development. For example, a simple Instagram page with high quality pictures of your spices, your maggi, your cassava, testimonial from satisfied customers, and clear contact information can be very effective. Scale smartly, reinvest and grow. Reinvest your profits, don't spend everything. Use your earnings to buy more inventory, improve your packaging, or explore new markets. Seek mentorship. Connect with experienced exporters for guidance. For example, as your business grows, You might invest in better packaging to increase the perceived value of your product, or explore selling on larger online marketplaces. This is a ladder, not an elevator. You start small, learn, adapt, and grow. Many successful Nigerian exporters started with even less than you might have right now. It is not a joke. So let's get inspired. Remember, this is possible. Many Nigerian food exporters started by simply sending foodstuffs to family abroad. Then they expanded to supply local restaurants and shops. This low-risk approach allowed them to learn the ropes and build a customer base. Think about the artisans who sell their handcrafted goods online, reaching a global market without needing a physical store. They started with their skills and a smartphone. The key is to start somewhere, learn from your mistakes, and never give up. Even with little capital, there are mistakes that can sink your venture. Avoid these mistakes at all costs. Number 1, not verifying buyers or suppliers. Always do your due diligence. Do your research. Know the people you're buying from. Secondly, underestimating shipping costs. Get accurate quotes. Thirdly, poor packaging. Your product needs to arrive in good condition. Fourthly, ignoring regulations. Understand customs rules, their requirements, ensure you're registered. Now, lack of communication. Be responsive and professional. Giving up too easily. This takes time and effort, so do not give up. Don't give up. Start small, but start now. Do your research. Connect with other exporters for advice. Use the resources I've mentioned in this video. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn. This is your chance to build a profitable business. Contribute to Nigeria's economy and reach a global market. You've got this. I believe in you. The Nigerian export market is waiting for you. You don't need a fortune to start. You need resourcefulness, determination, and a willingness to learn. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe. This is top-notch business. Now, what products are you thinking of exporting? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's build a community of successful Nigerian exporters.
Zombie apocalypse.